Let's go and try to access FCA Auto Auth using this Launch X431 Pro Elite. I'm using this Launch X431 Pro Elite to access the FCA Auto Auth, and I typed in my information and we unlocked the security gateway. And let's see if we can go ahead and do some bidirectional functions now. That is working. I can hear the fan and it turned on. Let's lower it, 20. Okay, the fan has lowered down to 20% now. And this is pretty cool. I can actually access the special functions as well. Here's all the different special functions, including the reset for the ECU. Let's try this phaser cleaning. I can hear the motor is struggling as this is getting cleaned. For the exhaust phaser 1, intake phaser 1. So this X431 Pro Elite is actually working quite well for this Jeep, and I'm pleasantly surprised. Immobilizer key. So this function is not supported. And now let's talk about who can and cannot sign up for the FCA Auto Auth. So to sign up for the FCA Auto Authority, it's going to be $50 a year. And I think that comes with up to 5 accounts. And you pay an extra couple of bucks if you want to add additional users to it. And overall, the sign up process is pretty easy, and it did not ask for any shop information. I did have to go ahead and enter my address and my credit card info, but nothing else was verified, and I do not have a shop. So this is actually available for consumers if you need it. But before you do this, you may want to take a look at the bypass cables, as you can avoid paying the $50, and you can get those cables for under $20, and then you don't have to pay any yearly fees. And I'll leave you guys a link to that video, and I'll show you guys how to hook up those bypass cables. And I tried this Launch X431 Pro Elite versus the X Tool, and even though this is half the price, this actually works a lot better with the FCA authorization and without the FCA authorization. So this might be a better choice for some people. I'll leave you guys all the links, and you guys can decide for yourself on which one's a better choice for you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.